This 5-minute solution will show you how to join the roblox-doors Discord server. Follow me to join the server. Open your Discord and make sure to sign into your account. Then scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server. And here click on Join a Server. And in this invite link box, type this text discord.gg/ and write this code 80WD9V9 and click on join server. And that's it. This is how we can join roblox-doors servers. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.